Have you ever found yourself on the verge of making a questionable purchase? You're about to click buy, but then a thought pops into your head. Wait. Do these look like soy cheese? No, they're absolutely stunning. Kanye West loves them. But hold on, if I like what Kanye likes, is that really a good thing? Okay, I need to relax. Buying these makes me a visionary, a trendsetter. But wait, are those holes for ventilation? Time for a break. Pringles, here I come. Wait, is this unhealthy? That inner dialogue? That's what Daniel Kahneman, author of Thinking, Fast, and Slow, calls System 2 thinking, a slow, deliberate, and effortful way of processing information. The opposite of that is System 1 thinking, which is fast and automatic, like recognizing a face in a crowd without effort. But what does this have to do with AI? Well, in a fascinating video by Andrej Karpathy, a top AI engineer at OpenAI, he explains that today's large language models, LLMs, only operate in System 1 mode. They're essentially auto-predict on steroids. None of them can take 40 minutes to deeply process a problem from multiple angles and then deliver a thoughtful, rational solution. And yet, that's what we want from AI. So, how do we get there? Some clever people have found ways to work around this limitation using two methods. Tree of thought prompting. This method forces an AI to analyze a problem from multiple perspectives, almost as if multiple expert minds are collaborating to reach a decision. AI agent collaboration, CrewAI. This system allows even non-programmers to create specialized AI agents that work together to solve complex tasks. These agents can pull from multiple AI models, both online and locally. In this video, I'll show you how to build your own AI team using CrewAI. I'll also demonstrate how to make them smarter by integrating real-world data, like emails or Reddit conversations, and even discuss how to avoid costly API fees by running models locally. Oh, and I made some surprising discoveries about local AI models. I'll reveal them later. Let's build a team of AI assistants to analyze and refine my startup idea. Here's how. Open VS Code and launch a new terminal. Create and activate a virtual environment. Install CrewAI with a simple command. Import the necessary modules and packages. Set your OpenAI API key. CrewAI defaults to GPT-4, but you can specify GPT-3.5 if needed, though the results aren't as good. Now, let's define 3 AI agents. The marketer analyzes market demand and suggests how to reach the largest audience. The technologist recommends the best ways to manufacture the product. The business expert combines all insights into a structured business plan. Each agent gets a role, a goal, and a backstory to improve its responses. Setting verbose equals true ensures detailed outputs and enables agent collaboration. Tasks should be specific and results-oriented. In my case, I want a market analysis, handled by the marketer technical feasibility report, handled by the technologist final business plan, handled by the business expert once tasks and agents are defined. It's time to instantiate the CrewAI team. The process is sequential, each agent's output becomes the next agent's input. With a single line of code, I set my CrewAI team to work. The results? A 10-point business plan, 5 business goals, a timeline, and even a recommendation to use machine learning for predicting customer preferences. Not bad for an AI-generated business strategy. To enhance AI intelligence, you can integrate external tools. CrewAI supports LangChain tools, which provide real-world data access. Some of my favorites include 11 Labs for AI voice generation, Google Search API for live web searches, Wikipedia API for instant knowledge retrieval. I restructured my CrewAI team to write a detailed AI research newsletter with a researcher to gather information, a technical writer to structure the content, a critic to refine and finalize the piece. Using LangChain's Google Search tool, I fetched the latest AI developments. The results? A well-formatted newsletter, but the quality wasn't great. The information was outdated. To improve the research quality, I wrote a custom tool to scrape posts from the local Ollama subreddit, which shares cutting-edge AI projects. Here's how it works. Imports necessary modules. Authenticates with Reddit's API, scrapes the latest 10 hot posts and 5 comments per post. This allowed my AI to generate a highly relevant and insightful newsletter in under a minute, a task that would take me over an hour manually. Game changer. API calls can get expensive. GPT-4 cost me 30 cents per script run, so I tested local AI models using Ollama. Here's what I found. Llama 2, 7B, struggled to produce meaningful results. Falcon, 7B, and Vicuna, 13B, crashed my laptop, 16 GB RAM. Mistral and OpenHermes, 7B, generated generic newsletters but ignored Reddit data. Llama 13B, non-fine-tuned, was the only one that properly scraped and used subreddit data. CrewAI, combined with smart tools and data sources, can automate complex research tasks and optimize workflows. While local models still lag behind API-based LLMs, they offer cost savings and privacy benefits. You can find all my code and research notes on GitHub, link below. Have you tried CrewAI? Let me know your experiences in the comments. Thank you for exploring how I made AI assistants work for me with CrewAI with us. Are you excited about the video? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more cool AI tool recommendations, like, share and subscribe to check out these videos next.